Hey besties, it is that time again. It is time for me to complete a 1 week check-in on my paycheck that I received last week. So if that is something that you're here for, go ahead and stay tuned. It is early in the morning, you guys. Like early, you can probably hear it in my voice. But I am keeping my granddaughter today, and I'm like, I better get this check-in now. I better get this check-in completed now while she's asleep, because when she is up, you guys, she does not stop moving, okay? We are at that stage where she doesn't stop moving. You know, sometime I might try to get her to take a nap. And, you know, never know how the day is going to go. But anyway, I don't want to spend too much time on this. But if this is your first time here, my name is Jasmine. Welcome. Here on my channel, we talk about all things finance with the emphasis on budgeting, saving money, and paying off debt. I really focus heavily on the basics of budgeting, saving money, paying off debt, how to put together a budget so that you can get to the next step in your finances and my finances, etc. And if you're a returning bestie, hey girl, hey. I'm also talking low as well because I don't want to wake her up. So, and I can't talk that loud in the morning, y'all. All right, so we are in October, and the last paycheck that I did or received was October 18th, which was last week. And so I'm doing a 1 week check-in. I'm going to take this page out here. This is the budget. I'm sorry, this is the paycheck budget tracker. This is from the Budget Mom if you're interested in it. Thank you guys so much for all the love on the last video. A good number of you guys are like, listen, we need you to create your own binder. So I'm going to start looking into that today to see what I need to do. Who do I need to talk to? I think a lot of my procrastination or delay is due to scarcity mindset, if you will, because, you know, sometimes if I don't know how to do something, I get a little stuck. So now I'm just gonna force myself to just get it done. All right, I'm taking a look at my calendar here, and we're actually on the 24th. And so the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the actual budget just to see if everything has already come out of my account. I do have my account open here. I'm also going to be tracking any expenses, but first I just want to start here. So a way to have a very successful paycheck budget is to make sure that you're checking on it. At minimum, one time within the pay period. However, especially if you're just starting, I would check every day, every couple of days. That's looking in your account, checking your cash envelopes if you have any, etc. So for my car insurance, I believe that did pay, but let me just confirm here. So the car insurance did come in, and that came in at $174.73. I guess it went down by some change. I'll take it. $174.73. I had it budgeted for $175.93. Hulu Disney, that came in at $299. So gonna. And I forgot to mention that I'm using the Pilot G207 pens. Green if I came in under budget, black if I came in right on budget. And this is my version of a red pen because I don't know where my red pen is. But this is if I came in over budget. So now the court debt, let's see, that this one is not to come out yet. This is on auto pay. The Apple was paid. Netflix is not to come out yet. Of course, well, the HOA was paid, but any of these other bills that are on auto pay haven't come out yet. However, the electric and the water was paid. So a lot of these bills are on auto pay. The gas was paid. And okay, so now before I get into the cash, now that I have everything that was budgeted for, I have that accounted for. Now I'm gonna just take a look into my accounts to make sure that nothing has come through that wasn't budgeted for as it relates to, or now I'm gonna look at my accounts to make sure that nothing came out of my account that wasn't budgeted for. Okay. There was nothing else that was taken out of my account. Everything else is all good. Now what I'm gonna do is check off all of the bills that have already been paid. I've already done some of them. Water, that was paid for November. And the insurance, where's the car insurance? Did I already do that one? Let's see. Life insurance hasn't come out, right? Or did I say that? Yeah, that one did come out. I already have a check mark there. Yeah, car insurance, here we go. So this one was paid. Hulu Disney was paid as well. It was paid in September. I don't know why I didn't check that. And then solar was paid. And gas was paid. Court hasn't been paid yet. Apple was paid. Netflix hasn't been paid yet. Oh, I need to cancel my Peacock too. That needs to be on my to-do list. Let me make sure I put that on here, that I need to cancel my Peacock, because they sent me an email saying if I didn't cancel, they were going to take something like $70 out of my account. We not doing that, because I don't even watch Peacock like that. How do you even spell that? Pete? Let me see. I probably didn't spell that right, but it's okay. Let's see. So I did spell it right. I just had to check. Yeah, they said that I need to cancel. Yeah, let me make sure I have the date. It says, we will charge your existing payment method $79.99. Are they crazy? On or after November 21st. So I'm actually going to be canceling it today after we're done with this video, because I'm not going to be paying $80 for Peacock. Okay, let's see what else is on here. Clear, that's going to be coming through soon. I did pay that, and then Amazon Prime, this is okay. So we're all set here. Now also what I'm going to make sure is that my expense tracker is caught up for this pay period. And I think what's not on here is the insurance, the car insurance. Or is it? Oh, it is. I don't know why I have $175.93. That's incorrect. It's 174. $174.73. And I do have Hulu Disney. All right, so I have everything written down as it relates to my expense tracker here. So gonna put everything back here. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is I am gonna see how much money I have left in my cash. Just gonna make sure that my cash is doing pretty good. I also need to I don't have a check on my mortgage. I need to pay my mortgage, and then I need to put it on auto pay. But anyway, so in groceries, I have, oh, nothing. That's right, because this was supposed to change to eat out. It's supposed to be first. So as it relates to groceries, my daughter takes care of the groceries now. So that's the reason why you don't see groceries here and you see eating out money instead. Just to give you that update, just in case you haven't been here in a while, or this is really something new. So eating out, I have $25, $26, $27, $27 for eat out. And then household, I think that was the only thing I had put in there, right? And then I have some money here in spending, and it's $10, $15, $16, $17, $18 in spending. This is just if I, if I'm out and I want to spend some money on something that's not budgeted for. That's what that is for, just to have like a little buffer in my wallet. And that is pretty much it. So I believe that the next time that I will be paid will be next week, but it also could be tomorrow. I'm not really sure. But I've already done everything that I'm supposed to do on my end for my unemployment checks, the supplemental pay, and then the unemployment. I don't know, once again, if those incomes will be coming in together, like on the same day or different days. I'm just kind of like in the waiting period, but that's the reason why I budgeted more than I needed to, because I'm unsure. But I did everything that I was supposed to do on time. So prayerfully, I will get a check tomorrow. If not, I should get one next week. And then I will continue to budget and save. And, just put that money up. But that is pretty much it. If you have any questions on how to properly do a check-in, bi-weekly check-in, 1 week check-in, midweek check-in, whatever check-in, to make sure that you are going to have a successful pay period, please leave it down below. But how are you guys doing on your budgets? We are entering into holiday season. I think once you start with Halloween, it's really holidays. So you got Halloween, then you have Thanksgiving, then you have Christmas. So I hear my granddaughter, she's up now. So I'm glad that we got this done. I will see you in the next video. Go be great, besties. Peace out.
You're special and she reckless. Remember, you're my bestest friend. Yeah, she my bestie. My love for you is endless. Nobody else can end it. And when I get the money back, then baby girl, you can spend it. And everything is alright. I like how